Shorts are a great way for getting views, but let's be real. You can't make a living by only ads revenue from YouTube Shorts. 95% of creators don't know how to close a promotion or sponsorship deals, and they don't have the right knowledge of affiliate marketing either. And they just rely solely on ads revenue from Shorts, which is again not enough to make a living. So that's why today I will teach you how to make long-term videos that can generate good revenue. But getting views on long videos can be very challenging in the start. I will tell you 2 ways to make long-term videos. First way will be completely free, but it will take a lot of efforts, time, and editing skills. The second way will be paid, but it can automate your channel without any skills or efforts. But I must tell you that you shouldn't miss the paid method, because I myself use it, and it is the best way to run a YouTube channel on autopilot. The niche we have today is named Survival Stories and Extreme Adventures. The reason for picking this niche is because I have myself noticed that people actually have high interest in survival stories. To find out how did people actually survive such terrifying incidents. You already know how to create a channel, right? And for logo, you can use Lexica AI. It has millions of free images that you can worry-free use for your channel logo. The question that everyone has in their mind before picking a niche is, how will we get unique video ideas for this niche once we run out of old ideas? Simply use ChatGPT for that. Now you just need to write your niche name here, and then ask ChatGPT to provide me viral video ideas on this niche, and ChatGPT will spit out all the ideas in front of you. If you don't like any video topic, simply click here to regenerate and keep regenerating until you are satisfied with a good video idea. Now for script, we will again use ChatGPT. Once you have a good video idea, simply copy up that topic and then paste it here again, and then paste this additional prompt. You will find the prompt in description. Save the prompt in a notepad and use it every time you want to generate your script. And once you have the script, I would suggest to read it once, and if needed, do some additional changes to make it more engaging. Now, once you have the script, at the same place again, paste a prompt for generating images, and ChatGPT will provide you with all the images that are related to your every scene. You can now either use these prompts for generating images, or if you are creative, use your own imagination for generating images, but that will consume a lot of time. Now for voiceover, we will use 11 Labs. Only because of the large ocean of realistic voices they have, you can easily pick an engaging and unique voiceover for your channel from the voice library, then just simply paste your script here. And if you want to change the tone of the A character, simply write some important words in capital letters, and the AI will speak them louder and use commas for a small pause in the voiceover. And that's it. Just generate your voiceover, and when it is ready, simply download it. Now for images, you have many free options like Leonardo AI, Playground AI, Ideogram, and so on, but lately Playground AI is producing images similar to Midjourney. So to get started, simply click on Create and then paste your first image prompt here. Then there are a lot of free image models. I won't suggest an image model in this video because I want you to try each model and pick a unique one for yourself. Then change Exclude from Image into Custom, and then simply change the image dimensions into 768 x 512. And keep the number of images 3, and that's it. Simply generate the images. Guys, here is a piece of advice in your free time. Try generating different images using different models and different prompts. This will make you expert in generating banger images later on. Here, the images area also ready. You can see by yourself the quality is just amazing. Now simply import everything in an editing software. Adjust the voiceover on the timeline. As you can see, the voiceover is too long, and if I keep the whole voiceover, it will consume a lot of time and the video will be lengthy. So I will just keep it up to 30 seconds, then simply edit the voiceover by removing empty spaces. Guys, trust me, a pause every few seconds may irritate your viewer, and they may leave the video from the very beginning. So I would recommend to remove the unwanted empty spaces, and then place the images on the voiceover and keep listening the voiceover and place each image exactly where it suits. It will help to connect the viewer with the story, leading to an increase in engagement. Then go to animations and then combo and use zoom in and zoom out animations to add movement to your images. You can try other animations as well, but if you ask me, I won't recommend any other animation. Then go to transitions and drag and drop transitions between the clips. Now you can add any transition you like, but for this niche, adding to flashy or shaky animations will ruin your edit. I would recommend using black fade and simply animations for a clam vibe. Now many new creators don't actually use effects, while effects can be a great way for adding extra sauce to the final edit. Now it's time for the soul of every edit. The captions, you can add auto captions if you use CapCut. Guys, trust me, no matter in which niche you are, without captions, the video is incomplete. There are a lot of pre-made templates. You can use any template you want to. Now you can either place the captions at the bottom or even in the middle of the screen. I will keep them in the middle of the screen because for me they perform more better in the middle of the screen. Now I will simply add a background music, and don't forget to reduce the volume so that it's either not loud or near to mute. And that's it, guys. Let's watch the final video.
Imagine finding yourself alone in the vast desert, miles away from any help. This is the story of Jack, a young adventurer whose journey took an unexpected turn. It was supposed to be a thrilling trek through the desert, but things went wrong quickly. Jack's GPS failed, leaving him disoriented and lost. With no way to call for help, he realized he had to rely on himself to survive. The desert sun beat down mercilessly, draining Jack's energy. He had limited water and food supplies, which were running out fast. Each step felt heavier than the last as he searched desperately for any signs of civilization.
Now guys, as you have seen, it literally took us a lot of time to edit a basic video, and to edit a banger it will consume a lot more time and efforts. So that's why I have an automation option for you named Vsub. The reason I love this tool is because it can create short as well as long form videos. Simply click on a video and simply select your preferred language. Then simply select the image style from here. That's the best part. It has one of the most popular images styles. Then here is the option to paste your own unique script. I will simply paste the script we generated earlier. From here, you can also upload your own voiceover, then go to settings, and you can select one of the most popular 11 Labs voiceovers. And if you want to add a unique voiceover, simply open 11 Labs, then just go to voices, and then simply go to voice library. From here, you can simply choose the voice you want to use in Vsub, then click on this share option and simply copy the link of the voiceover, then come back to Vsub and simply click on voice, and then simply paste your voice link here and then simply click on add. Now if you see, the voiceover has been added. Now from here you can select whether you want to make short or long video. Perhaps we are creating long video. Now just click on continue and it will automatically start creating your video. And in matter of a few seconds to minutes, the video will be ready. Now you can even edit the video as per your needs. You can even change or regenerate the images that you don't like. And from here you can select the background music. Keep its volume lower than 25 and that's it. Just download the video. Let's watch it now.
Imagine finding yourself alone in the vast desert, miles away from any help. This is the story of Jack, a young adventurer whose journey took an unexpected turn. It was supposed to be a thrilling trek through the desert, but things went wrong quickly. Jack's GPS failed, leaving him disoriented and lost. With no way to call for help, he realized he had to rely on himself to survive. The desert sun beat down mercilessly, draining Jack's energy. He had limited water and food supplies, which were running out fast. Each step felt heavier than the last as he searched desperately for any signs of civilization.
Guys, if you want to grow fast on YouTube, don't forget to check out the video popping on the screen right now.